All right, so this is one of the problems that I know I'm going to see or have questions about, because if you look here, A has a fraction in front of it, okay? So what they want you to do is to make a table of values and figure out some points. Now, all you need is a couple of points because quadratics are symmetrical along a line called the axis of symmetry, and we will be able to use symmetry to plot all of our points, so I only need 3. So I'm going to start with some numbers here for x that I know are going to work because they're divisible by 8. So if I put 0 in first in this problem, I get 3/8, 0 squared. Now, 0 squared is 0, and 3/8 times 0 is 0. So one of my points is 0, 0 is right there. It's on the graph. Now I'm going to use 4 here. Now, why do you think I use 4? Because if I use 4, and I put it in here, I get 3/8 times 4 squared. I get 3/8 times 16, and this becomes 6. So 4, 6 is one of my points. Now, if I use 8, because I know 8 is going to give me something that's divisible by 8, I would get y equals 3/8. I'm running out of room here. 8 squared. 8 squared is 64. Okay. And when I multiply these, I get 3 times 8, which is 24. So when x is 8, y is 24. Those are the 3 points that I have here. So I'm just going to plot those 3 points. I go to 4 and 6, which is right there, and then 8, which is here, all the way up to 24. Now, I only have the points on the, well, that's on the wrong spots right here. There we go. Okay, so that's the point 0, 0. This is the point 4, 6, and this is the point 8, 24. Now, since it's symmetrical, then that would mean that the y-axis is the axis of symmetry, and all I got to do is plot the points the same distance from the y-axis on the left side. So this is 4 on this side, so I just go 4 to this side, which would be -4, which puts me right there. This is really messy. And then on this side, it would be -8 and 24. And this is -4 and 6, because remember, it's symmetrical. So that's going to be up here at -8. Let's see if I get this right without messing it up. There it is. Now, there's your parabola. That's all you need. Now, when you're using this graphing tool, they'll want you to put the point on the vertex and then another point on the graph, and then that would be this button right here. And that's what you would need to be able to graph that using fractions, okay? So do your table of values, plot your points, and you'll be good to go. Actually, on this one, you only need 2 points because it's a 2-point graphing.